Hi and hello, welcome back. Jana here with a new process video, and I'm working with the August kits, and today is main kit only day, and we were asked to use the Cardstock Kit to include some stitching and to highlight the pretty little studio frames. So I decided to work on this gorgeous, very dark blue pattern paper from Vicky Booten. And I also did some pre-work with the Cardstock Kit. I decided to go with purple and blue, and yeah, I quickly showed you the leaves I have made, and I added some stitches and I distressed the edges from the leaves, and they are just free cut, so without any stencil or something like that. I just cut some wonky leaves out, added the stitching, and I love how they turned out. I don't want to add too much stuff to the background paper, and so I decided to just add some or tons of white splatters, just because I really love how the white is popping off from the dark background. Yeah, you can see on the right side I'm scrapping a black and white picture from a little one, and yeah, I turned it black and white just because of the frames and the other colors I wanted to use. And here I did some splatters on that pretty purple cardstock, and I used the purple color from the color kit here, and I just added some water to the powder and splatter it onto the purple paper. And I wanted to highlight that piece in one of these frames, and I will also grab another pattern paper for the other circle frame, just to bring in some pattern and some colors. I also did some crisscross stitching on the little heart template that is included, that is included in the Truly Grateful ephemera pack, yes. And I just used some white embroidery floss, and I love how this is looking. So everything is dry. I'm just getting sure and rolling the paper towel over it again. And now I will start to build up my layout, and I decided to place some pretty things on the left and the right side from the picture, and I will stay in the purple and the pink. No, the purple and the blue tones. I will add some pink. You can see there are some teeny tiny flowers on the right side, and I did some fussy cutting from one of the Paige Evans Truly Grateful papers. And here I decided to add that pretty blue paper with the stars, and I'm just gluing that one behind the pretty frame. Yeah, then I will start to lay everything on my on the paper, but then I decided to add some more stitches, and you will see that in a second. But first I'm just playing around, and I have left some of the machine thread on the leaves, and I love the messiness from that. Yeah, I am just playing around, and I love that banner with stay close to the people who feel like sunshine, and I love the touch of yellow and turquoise there, but I don't wanted to bring in these colors into my mix, and so I'm just staying with blue and purple. And I'm also adding some color coordinating thread behind some of the pieces. And I really love how this is looking so far, and I love how this is popping off from the dark background. And here you can see I added some circle stitching onto the white splatters and the blue paper. And I just wanted to highlight the frames a bit, and so I thought white stitching would be perfect. Also bringing in some light purple thread, and then I will just start to glue everything down, and this is taking some time just because of the leaves, and I'm using tons of 3D dots and tape, And so you don't need to watch me doing that all the time. So I will stop on one point and then everything is glued down. Yeah, starting with that pretty banner piece, and now I will start to pop some of the leaves off with 3D squares, but I will stop on one point. And I really love how the colors are working together. I'm not that purple fan, but I love to mix purple with blue, and yeah, the colors from the Cardstock Kit are just gorgeous. Yeah, here you can see some of the leaves, and I just did some cutting with my scissors, and I love how they turned out. I will also add some more from the Truly Grateful collection. I will use some of the epoxy words and some hearts, but you will see that in a bit. Now I'm just gluing down the last flower. And then I will grab the stickers from the collection right now. And I decided to go with the word loved, and I will place that underneath the picture. And off camera, I will add the word yes. So you can see that on the left side, and it's a pretty dark blue shade. And I will place that word underneath the word loved. Now I'm bringing in some of the cute epoxy hearts, and they are perfectly matching my color scheme. And yeah, I really love how this is looking and coming together, and I just love it. I will not add any journaling just because my white gel pen is not working anymore. I was thinking about some paper strips with my journaling on it, but I will not. I totally love how this layout is looking without any journaling, and so I'm going with that. Now I'm looking into the flower pack. That is not included in the main kit, but the leaves are so pretty, and the excuse me, and the colors are so perfectly matching, and so I couldn't help myself. I needed to add 2 leaves from that pack. I will add some more flowers, and I will do that by fussy cutting some of the pretty flowers from the Truly Grateful paper. But next to that, I'm sorry. But next to that, I am done. And I really love how this is looking. I love the cute picture from my little one. And I love the colors and the white splatters. So, yeah, just adding the last 3D square. And then you will get a little close-up and some final pictures at the end. That's it. Thank you so much for stopping by and for watching. And talk to you soon. Bye.